In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set contact picture and contact poster on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Phone app, then tap right here to go to Contacts. And once it is done, then we have to select the contact to whom we want to change the profile picture. I'm just going to use this contact as an example. After that, we need to tap right here at Edit. And that's where, just under this gray default profile picture, we need to tap at this button. And on the next step, we can set a poster for this contact. We can use our camera to take a picture. We can upload some from our camera roll. And also we can set here Memoji or monogram. You can choose any way from here. I'm just gonna select that one, and that will open up the camera roll. From here we can choose any picture from featured, live photos, people, nature. Maybe you got here some extra categories. Also, if we switch at all, it will show us our entire photo library from the camera roll. And also here we can go to collections to show up our albums. I'm just gonna switch to featured, and then I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. After that, here we can configure it. We can resize that picture here. I'm gonna use it in this way. After that, we can apply some filter to our picture. We can easily switch between filters by swiping them left or right. Here, for some filters, we got some extra options. Let's say here for this filter, we can switch background color from white to black, just like that. Here also we can tap right there and uncheck mark that option. However, I prefer to resize posters manually simply by pitching them. After that, to apply the changes, hit right here at Done, and that's how we can set poster for the contact. After that, I'm going to hit Add Continue, and at the next step, we can easily set profile picture. Now we need to tap at Crop, and then I'm going to position the face in the middle of this circle. Also, we can resize it in that way, obviously. Then to continue, I'm going to hit Choose. Also, we can apply some filter here. And then to save the changes, tap at Done. And also here, if you don't want to use the same photo for contact picture and for the poster, then just hit right here and choose different photo and then configure it in the same way. Now I'm gonna hit at this button, and now as you can see, I have successfully set poster and contact picture. To apply the changes, tap at Done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.